Welcome back to our session on using all of our computer technology at Hayfield High School. This session is going to focus on accessing and editing a PDF in Moodle. So as you can see here, we are in a student's Moodle, and she is going to click the class and find an assignment for us to edit in a PDF. So it doesn't matter which class is picked, by you can see all the choices along the way there, and I'll let Corinne go ahead and pick a class that she wants to pick. So she's going to choose 12th grade homeroom. As you can see in 12th grade homeroom in Moodle, the calendar of events is right up front, and it is segmented by weeks. So weeks of the calendar. She can go back a couple weeks, and then she's going to scroll forward to this week or last week, either or, whichever one has the PDF. So you can see here's the list of assignments. There's the gift of work and gift of friends. There's the gift of friends as a PDF. So I'm gonna let Corinne go ahead and click on the PDF. When she clicks on the PDF, it's going to open it. And it's gonna give her the ability to download that. She's going to download and save it into her OneDrive, into the class that she needs to save it into. This class is homeroom. She might just save this in any folder since this is just a demonstration, but she's going to go ahead and save that into her homeroom file and her OneDrive. So take a second. Now that file is saved and it is opened up as a PDF. Now you have the ability with Adobe Acrobat Reader to edit and modify this PDF as needed. So sometimes these PDFs, there are questions that teachers will submit in worksheet format to edit in a PDF. So to go ahead and edit this PDF, you are going to click the little arrow right there. You're going to click the arrow to kind of close your options. And it's going to give you a toolbar on the right-hand side of the screen. And to edit your PDFs, you're going to click the comment box, that yellow comment box. When you do that, you will see it opens up a whole nother toolbar on the top portion of your screen. That toolbar is highlighted with the possibilities to highlight, to add text, and to insert a few, whatever you want to insert into the PDF. So I'm going to let Corinne just take a moment here and just insert a text box anywhere on this PDF just to show kind of how it works. So let's say for example, we had a question that we wanted to answer. We're going to insert it at the bottom of this PDF. We're going to click, and then that allows any student the ability to type the answer. This is the correct answer. So you can see the typing in blue font there. All right, that it will end our sentence. You could go ahead and edit any part of the PDF or add anything. You can't edit, but you can add to the PDF, so you can add questions and answers. So when that's done, we're going to make sure everything is saved. Which it automatically saves in the OneDrive, but we're going to double check. We're going to go ahead and save. We're going to save as, and we're going to save this edited document now to our OneDrive. You'll see the same options come up in our OneDrive folder. We're going to select the homeroom folder or whichever class we're editing our document in. And this part is important because you need to save your edited PDFs. The PDFs, when you're working in Adobe, that is not in the OneDrive. So that's not going to automatically save documents. So you're going to want to make sure you save as documents to the OneDrive. We're going to click homeroom. We're going to save this file. And for Corinne's sake here, do we want to replace it? We don't want to replace it because she's just doing a demonstration. She has another file that's already done under the same name. And then that allows you the ability to submit that on Moodle using the submit function, or submit on Teams, however the teacher prefers this assignment to be submitted. But here's kind of the ability to access and edit PDFs in Moodle using the features that we described below.